Yon world, what's the deal? It's your boy Original Dion, and today on my YouTube channel, we going over how to build a website in 2020. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, and subscribe to Yon World for good luck, positivity, and determination. 2020 is gonna be a lot of distractions, and y'all need something to think about. You need something to focus on, and what else to focus on other than building your own brand? So, on today's video, I'm teaching you something that I feel everybody need. If you building a brand online, if you got a physical business, if you just influencing culture, you need your own personal website. And on this video, I'm sharing with y'all how to build a website. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing my personal website, the website I built and developed, and showing you how to do the same. And I want y'all to watch the whole video, because throughout this video I'm going to be sharing a lot of information you need when you're starting a website. Just everything you need to know as far as like monetization and making money, because you want, with your online presence, you want to be monetized. You want to have a monetizable presence online, and I'm teaching y'all exactly how to do that today. Now, going over my website, what I have is a website for a digital creator. I call myself like a digital creator. I do YouTube, I can do graphic, artwork, I can make music, you know what I'm saying? I'm in the marketing and blogging. I do everything. So I consider myself a digital creator, and for that I needed a website. So I designed yonworld.org. Now this website has all my music, a live feed to my YouTube account. It has a page dedicated to the street genre. I'm gonna go over that, but it's something I talk about on my channel. It has a community blog. Now this blog is gonna be for all my fans, all my supporters of Yon World, everybody that come, post content, promote your business, whatever you wanna give, or put on Yon World, the platform. You will be able to create an account on my website and do that. So I have a whole members area where people can log in and create an account. So we're gonna go over all that, and I'm gonna show y'all how to set up something like this. Now, you see the front page, We Family Owe We Nothing, which is an album. Then I have a embedded link to my Apple Music. It's like a playlist, basically my album. So you can see that right there. All of these are clickable. Like if you click that, you can subscribe to my YouTube. You can click this, and you can go to, my iTunes link. Click this, you can go to Spotify. It's something you need. I got a whole social media bar right here where it has Tidal, Amazon, Apple Music, Spotify, my Facebook page, Instagram, Twitter, SoundCloud, and YouTube, all linked on the sidebar. And that stays, that's pinned onto all of my pages. So no matter what page I go on, that bar is there. So that's something you need. And we just really want a clean, minimalistic type style website. We want it real clean, real simple, but able to capture information. So you see at the bottom right here, I say get on the list where people could subscribe. Let me refresh my page. When I refresh my page, if we were to stay on the page for a minute, I have a light box that pops up. And what this light box is for is for also capturing, information for your customer, like from your customer. Excuse me. But when people come to your page, you want to get as much information about them as possible. We're gonna go into setting up Google Analytics, but you want to have things set up on your website where you're getting the customer information automatically. Like, so I'm trying to wait and see if it'll show you. But yeah, like when you scroll over the name Yon World, it turns red. I'm gonna make these turn red also, but I'm gonna go into making a website also. Hold on. Bear with me for 1 second. I want to show y'all this light box and just show you the design I chose, because I think this is sweet, and I think everybody should understand like what I'm talking about. So It's about to pop up any moment right now. You already know it's your boy Young World. But yeah, all right. So never miss an update, and you can get on the list. So you see that. Moving along. All right. So we got my music page, and then there's something to pay attention to too. The URL. Now I'm gonna go into SEO and everything, but make sure you are tagging your page right. When you go into creating your site, you want to focus on a search engine optimization. It's abbreviated SEO, but it means search engine optimization. Meaning when people go on Google, people go to search for shit, you want your website to pop up first. You know what I'm saying? So we got all of my music on this page. Right, I got it linked. These are smart URL links, so I made a bunch of smart URLs and embedded them onto my page. And with smart URL, it's just a variety of different platforms they can go to. So you meet the user where they at. Like if they got an Amazon account, boom. They got an Apple Music account, boom. That's just how that go. But next, we go to YouTube. You see how the URL is titled YonWorld.org, YouTube, YonWorld. You need that for the search results. Now, here I embedded a live stream. Now, this is a live stream of all my YouTube videos. Any YouTube video I upload, I don't have to come here and update it. It automatically updates for me. So that's what you want. You want autopilot. You want that automatic money. So that's what I'm teaching y'all, how to be on autopilot. And you want to set up a website. So we got that right here. And we also got embedded a link to subscribe to YouTube, because we want to always capture, our audience. And you see we got these sides open for Google Ads. We're going to talk about that later on. So next, I got the Street Yantra meditation. I made a goal to myself, I'm just acting on, but I'm going to dominate the Street Yantra niche this year. And I feel like nobody is on this symbol, and I just want to be the face, the voice for it. So I'm going to begin to do more videos, more posts about the Street Yantra, and I made a whole page dedicated to it on my website for y'all to go meditate. Basically, you stare at this symbol for 9 minutes, and it activates within your mind. Now, you can actually test it. Like, if you look at this symbol for 9 minutes and look at a white wall, you're going to see like a bluish green symbol. Like, it'll look like if somebody ever took a picture in your face and you see a light like following in your eye. Like, that's how it look. Like if you stare at the symbol for 9 minutes and then look away. So it's deep. It represents pure consciousness, source energy, and it creates material wealth for the observer. But that's on a whole nother level. I hope y'all ready for that. But next, right here, we got the community blog, and I'm gonna retitle this too to community blog. But basically, if you read this, I'm going over the whole mission, like the whole plan on what I plan on doing for this. So we got that right there. And like I said, you're gonna be able to log in and make an account. You see right here, like I got a login page. So with this, you're gonna log in, you can make an account, you can join the community, and you can post just like how you see me posting. Your post will show up right here. No matter what you want to talk about, your post will be right here. And that's how we doing that. Like whether you want to upload video, whether you want to upload your website, whether you just want to post, about whatever you feel the need to post about. That's what the community is for. Yon World, open community for everybody, man. But next, we got the booking and contact information. So you need this. You need a way for everybody to contact you. Contact me. I'll respond back to you in 2 hours. I mean, not 2 hours. 2 business days. I might respond in 2 hours. You never know. But yeah, and then I got some nice little pictures right here just to go with the vibe of the website. But That's yonworld.org. Now, how I built this website was through Wix. Now, Wix is probably the easiest platform because it's like it's not copy and paste, but it's like it's already pre-made. So you can find different templates and go in and input your information, and it don't take long. It's gonna take you a couple hours, depending on how detailed you can get with your editing and changing the text. And but it took me about 3 days, to be honest, to make this website. Just going over everything from the SEO to creating the images to the text, choosing the right text that I wanted, and making the different pages. So right here, this is just the SEO for my main page, but you need to go in and do it for every page. When you create your website on Wix. Let me show you. So you can see, like, it might go a little slow, but yeah, you can just go in here, then you can add different elements. Let me show you. Come on, Wix website editor. Let's go. Alright, so you see all the categories. I'm gonna breeze through this because it's kinda glitching. We screen recording right now. And you see all the categories, but you could basically add so much to your website. Whatever you thinking about. If you want to create an online store, you can do it. Whatever type of store. If it's if you offering services, whatever your service is, you want to create a website for it. Like, you see, you got a whole booking service right here, man. Like, your clients will never be disappointed if you can come correct and come professional. Like, that'll make them want to recommend you to more people. And you see right here, this is where you can add members, sign up, blog pages, the Lightbox, the Wix app market. You can add a bunch of stuff, man. Like, you add a bunch of stuff from the Wix. And this is what I'm talking about, the HTML embed. That's what I really use in the analytics. You want to get the analytics from Google. So those are two apps I got. Like, when you embed different things, like anything you want to embed, from a YouTube video to an Apple Music album to a Spotify playlist, you can embed anything, pictures from Instagram, or anything you want to embed, you can embed on a website. So that's what that is for. Another thing you need to be ready to do is you have to set up Google Adsense. Now, I believe this deserves its own video, but we running out of time. I can only screen record for 15 minutes, so we're gonna get through this. But you need to set up Google Adsense. Now, it takes about 2 weeks, so once you get your website running, you need to go ahead and add it. Now, how you add your website is you log into Google AdSense, create your account, and you add the site. Now, when you add the site, you type in your site name without any, HTTPS, without any of that. You type in the site name, go to next. Then you have to enter in this code, this AdSense code, and where you would enter in this code at is within Wix. You have to go into the settings. Let's see if it'll allow me to show me in time. We spent a little bit longer on my website than planned, but basically you go into the settings, then you go into the advanced, and you go into analytics, and within analytics you add a custom box. And let me show you. My computer glitching super slow. You go into settings, then you go down, all the way down to advanced settings, tracking and analytics, and then you will add a new tool, which is then go down to custom, and then once you, let me just show you. and paste the code snippet here.